Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Remove the back nut and rubber washer on both ends. Keep the flange in position. Ensure the spout grub screw is facing the rear. Place washers and screw on the back nuts. Make sure the breech is tight. Attach the handles to the cartridge splines and adjust them to your preferred position. Fasten the handles with the flat washer, spring washer and screws provided. Attach the appropriate coloured button according to the requirement. Connect the water supply. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.